SAP Cloud Platform looks very confusing when we see many types of cloud models available and many types of services available. A question comes in our mind: what we are supposed to do as an ABAPer, UI developer, HANA developer, or SAP consultant? What should I learn in SAP Cloud Platform? I'm getting confused. So let's see what we can learn in SAP Cloud Platform. Now, SAP Cloud Platform provides four types of solution building. The first one is integration. When we talk about integration in SAP Cloud Platform, it means we can integrate different types of solution. For example, we can integrate our on-premise solution with S/4HANA Cloud or any other system. SAP Cloud Platform has different types of capabilities to handle the integration. For example, integration suite or process integration. The next learning track is build new solutions. In SAP Cloud Platform, we can create new solutions from scratch. We have different types of tools available. For example, SAP Web IDE to build UI5 applications. We can develop UI5 applications on any database and then we can host it on cloud platform. Next learning track is extend your existing solution by consuming data using API. You can extend your existing solution without touching the core of the system, unlike user exits. There are extensibility features available in the cloud, like in-app extensibility. The last learning track is innovation by using new trends. It means creating innovative applications using new technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, chatbots, or many more. As of now, most of the companies are going on this path and trying new things on SAP Cloud. Now you are clear about what are the different tracks on SAP Cloud Platform. You can decide based on what you want to do on SAP Cloud Platform.